呀，算免台。
On October 21st, Typhoon Sanba just raged and swept across China. With strong winds and high rainfall, several cities such as Guangdong, Guangxi, Hainan, and also the city of Haikou experienced devastating flash floods. In the video footage circulating, hundreds of cars and vehicles were seen sinking as a result of the devastating flash flood. Thousands of houses were also seen submerged due to flash floods caused by Typhoon Sanba. In fact, during the incident, several residents were swept away by the terrible flood currents. Suddenly, the devastating flood that hit China went viral and caused a stir.
Province in southern China.
Rồi. Bye. Giờ soạn miền Thái